Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways. Bullish Elrond, Egld, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $281.90 and $613.91 by 2030. Market investigators accept Egld could reach $281.90 by 2025. Bearish Elrond market cost expectation for 2022 is $50.12. Elrond, Egld, introduction. Many digital currency projects are using the advantages of the DeFi innovation to get the fate of their tasks and accomplish a full condition of organization versatility. Elrond, Egld, is one of those conventions that is centered around building an innovative blockchain foundation with a state sharding plan, a blockchain arrangement that permits hubs to some degree control the framework state, which helps construct the organization structure. This organization has released another condition of computerized design and innovation. However, in this video, we'd introduce an outline of this Elrond environment, its cost exhibition since its creation, the group and values behind the capability of its organization, and our future cost expectations. With the erratic developments in the digital money market, it'd be an extraordinary chance to understand what the exhibition of your venture would be with a guide of cutting-edge specialized examination devices and forecast specialists. What is Elrond, Egld? Elrond network, likewise alluded to as Egld, was established in 2017 in Romania by two programming designers, Benjamin Mincu and Lucian Mincu. In any case, the mainnet took some time prior to sending off in July 2020 because of high objective turn of events. Egld is a blockchain foundation that uses sharding for the purpose of expanding chain versatility and exchange speed while applying the security of the proof of stake (SPOS) agreement component. It has a greatest stockpile of 31,415,926 Egld tokens, which is expanded yearly, yet thus diminishes the marking prizes in the organization. This will influence the rate at which expansion of the coin develops, as it continually diminishes, yet the evidence of stake validators would act as one more method for exchange check on the convention. This blockchain has supported the end of PC waste and protection of energy, while focusing on their respectability through a one-of-a-kind component that permits the different handling of information exchanges in a similar block, which speeds up at a higher rate. Elrond Center engineers accept that the Egld organization can deal with in excess of 15,000 exchanges each second at a charge of $0.001. This guarantee was demonstrated when Elrond arrived at 260,000 exchanges each second in a test climate with in excess of 1,000 hubs. This is a gigantic accomplishment contrasted with the other blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Avalanche. The Elrond local token is utilized in marking compensating validators and installment of organization charges also. The simplicity of activity is to such an extent that Elrond can be run on PCs without the requirement for cutting-edge mining processors, which makes it fledgling amicable and modest to make do. Elrond is the principal network that permits the synchronous execution of the relative multitude of three qualities of sharding parts in their convention plan. Its focal center is network security, as enduring inward dangers and outside attacks was planned. Egld has incredible potential due to its high-scale security framework plan, borderless exchanges, implementation of savvy contracts, permissionless computerized economy, and energetic local area. Elrond, Egld, Price Prediction 2022. Elrond, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Egld. The Egld cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $93.97. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $87.70 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Egld is supposed to have a base worth of $75.17. Elrond, Egld, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Elrond Egld cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Egld will before long outperform $156.61. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Egld's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Egld will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $125.29 and a typical exchanging cost of $137.82. Elrond, Egld, Price Prediction 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $219.25 and Egld might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Egld is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $200.46 and a low of $187.93 in 2024. Elrond, Egld, Price Prediction 2025. Assuming Elrond effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the Egld coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Egld will be green in 2025. The Egld is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $281.90, with a base cost of $250.58 and a typical cost of $263.10. Elrond, Egld, Price Prediction 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Egld cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $325.75 by 2026, with a base cost of $313.22 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Egld has a greatest value worth of $344.54. Elrond, Egld, Price Prediction 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $388.39. In the event that Egld figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $407.18, neglecting to assemble the help Egld